Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into this video. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing this Modelones lipstick gel polish series, and this kit is just so perfect. Okay, so let's just get into this. So the first thing that comes in the kit is this cuticle oil, and I think this is so nice to start including cuticle oil in these kits because you can never get enough cuticle oils. The second thing I'm going to be showing you from this kit is a mini UV LED lamp, and I feel like this is great to put in this kit because most people who don't have like the big UV LED lights are beginners. So just in case you don't want to go out and buy a ton of stuff, you could just start off with something small and it's convenient. It doesn't take up a lot of space but still does what it needs to do. And like any other UV LED light, you just pop out the legs and it stands up on its own. And I love this light so much. I do have a few of these. I've been receiving kits from companies, and a few kits have these little mini LED lights in them, and I was thinking about what if I just do like a giveaway and just give away some LED lights, because I don't need all of these lights and I'm sure some of you would appreciate it. So comment down below if you guys think I should do that or not. Then it comes with a mini file, a mini buffer, and this tool here for your cuticles, and you just do this type of motion on it and it just gets rid of the dead skin in the cuticle area. I haven't used one of these before, but I do plan on using these because the cuticle nippers can be painful at times and it's just not fun. So it comes with this brush, and then it also comes with some stickers. These stickers were just so cute. So we have some chain hearts and some butterflies, and these stickers are like the sugar nails, so I feel like these were so pretty. I never seen any stickers with a textured feel to them, so I was very excited for those. And then next it comes with some gold stickers, which I did end up using a few for my nail set, but I really like these long like chain looking ones. These were just so pretty. So now on to the gel polish themselves. So this is the Modelones lipstick series, and this is the pink one. So this is a unique design nail set with a mini light, which you can enjoy doing your nails at home and save money from the salon. The formula has been optimized and improved many times with the high color rendering, and it's smooth and so easy to use. It is low odor and it has no non-toxic chemicals, and it's long lasting. So this is the first two colors, and I just love to show the consistency of the gel polishes. I just love these bottles. I love the matte finish on it. Like, it's just so aesthetically pleasing, and I really enjoyed this nail polish set. I will link where you can get this down below, but I'm just going to show you guys the colors. Oh yeah, and these are 10 milliliters, so it's pretty average to like regular size bottles. And I'm just going to continue to show you guys the colors of the bottles and the color of the inside of the gels and the consistency, and then I will get on to swatching these colors. While swatching these, I noticed how easy and smooth these applied. Modelones is my top recommended brand for beginners or anyone who is working with nail stuff because they have a variety of things from acrylics, gel polishes, polygels, nail art, nail lights, and stuff like that. Like, it just go on and on. The coverage of these gel polishes are amazing. All of these are only one coat. So after being cured for 30 seconds each, this is how these colors look. These colors are just so pretty. They go so well together. And this is the pink series. Once again, I will put their website down below. And if you are interested in this or anything else from Modelones, I do have a discount code which will save you 10% off your entire order, which is key10. And now let's get right into the nail set. So I have my nails on the stand, and these are the Enailcoutoure Extreme Square. I just felt like it would be easier to just do these on the nail stand and then apply them to my nails, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm starting off with this color here. These colors don't have names, but I'm starting off with this beige color, and I'm going to be applying this to my index and pinky. And once again, I just love how these colors apply. I only did one coat and these looked it so good, so I'm just going to be applying one coat and cure for 30 seconds. Before I cure these in the nail light, I do wipe the sides just to make sure that none of the gel polish has ran on the sides and it cured, and this will take away from the shape, so I don't want that. And now I'm going in with the second color that I swatched, and this is the pinky nail. So I'm going to be putting like a little squiggly line coming from the left side of the nail down to the tip onto the right side of the nail. And then once I finished that, I just popped it into the light. And next I'm going to be taking my dotting tool and my nail art brush. For the next nail, it does require these, so I'm going to be putting a heart on my index finger, and it took me so many tries to do this. I decided to leave this in just to show you guys that not every design will come out perfect. Like it may take you so many tries, but you just have to keep going until you get it right, and that's exactly what I did. So I'm just going to let you guys watch all of these failed attempts and then watch how much better the heart turned out on my last attempt. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, halfway through these attempts I did just want to give up, but since I wanted this heart design so bad, I just went ahead and continued to try. So for my 6th attempt, I did ended up finally getting it right, or somewhat decent, so you will see me go ahead and finish out the design. Once I was done with making the heart, I did take the color that I'm using to make the heart and go over all around the heart. And once I was doing this, I realized I made it so much more harder than what it needed to be, because I could have just painted the entire nail this color and then went in with the beige heart, but this is how the nail finally turned out, and I was happy with it, so I went ahead and cured in the nail light for 30 seconds. And now for the remaining of the nails, I'm starting with my middle finger, and I'm going to be doing an ombre with the first 2 colors that I use. So I'm putting this beige color on the top near the cuticle area, and then I'm going in halfway with the other color, meeting it in the middle, and just keeping these layers very light because I will go in with 2 coats, and I don't want this nail to be super thick and bulky on the top. So I'm making sure I keep these layers very light. And then I'm taking this fan brush and I'm lightly going back and forth in between these nails, very lightly so I don't wipe off the polish, but hard enough to blend in the polishes with each other. So I'm just going up and down to make sure that these colors blend. So I did kind of edit some of this out, but this is how it looks once I finish. I let this nail sit for about a minute or 2 so it can kind of self-level, and then go in and cure and repeat that process. And then I'm making sure I wipe the sides, and this is how the nail turned out. Like, this is a decent blend, right? Like, okay, so once I was finished with this nail, I went ahead and let this sit. So I put it back on the stand, and then I got the next nail, and here is some clips of me doing the thumb. I repeated this on my thumb and the other finger. I think it's my ring finger. I repeated that on all three of those nails. And then after letting them sit and be cured, this is how these nails turn out. So in this part right here, kind of looks a little bit fat, but the end and set didn't turn out too bad. So next I'm taking this burgundy color here, and this color is just so gorgeous. And I'm taking this color with my nail art brush, and I'm going to be outlining the heart on my index finger. I'm going to pop up a picture of the inspired set I wanted to pull inspiration from. So at first I wanted to go with like each nail, like basically I just wanted to recreate the set, but I just ended up going with the index and the pinky finger. And I switched out the rest of the designs. As you guys seen, I did an ombre for the rest of the fingers. So I wanted to add this color because I feel like it would go very good with these, and plus I needed a color to outline this heart. So after carefully outlining the heart with this burgundy color, it looks pretty good to me, so I went ahead and cured. And I'm just going to be outlining that little squiggly line on my pinky nail as well. And once I finish that, I'm just going to cure and move on to the next nails. Once these were cured, this is how the nails are looking. And at first I was going to do something totally different. I ended up using these gold nail stickers that came in the kit. At first I was going to use some caviar beads to kind of like go, like I was just planning to do something with some caviar beads and some gold rhinestones, but I ended up doing this design for this nail. So like I said in my last video, sometimes not having a plan for your nails helps with your creativity. So that's what I did for this nail. I put a gold circle sticker in the middle of this nail, and then I also took that burgundy gel polish that I used on the other nails, and I just put like a little squiggly line going from that to each side of the nail. And I also kind of wanted to add this gold color because looking at the set with just those two, it was kind of plain, so I wanted to add that color in the other fingers as well. And this is just what I ended up with, so I'm just going to repeat that for the rest of the ombre nails, and then I'm going to cure in the nail light for 30 seconds. So this is how the nails turned out. I didn't do anything else for these. It's time to apply these to my nails. And of course I do have to add a top coat, but first I wanted to take these off the nail stand first, because when I apply these to my nails I do have to add pressure, so I didn't want lint or fingerprints getting on it, so I wanted to go ahead and put them on my nail first, so when I add the top coat I can just be done. So before I do that, I'm just going to be wiping away that tacky layer. And then I'm just going to be applying these to my right hand because my left hand needs a break. So I'm just going to be applying the base coat that came in that kit to all of my nails, and then I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. To apply these, I'm going to be using my KDS nail glue, and it's just like press on nails where you put some inside the nail tip and you just apply pressure onto your nails, making sure that these are straight, and that's just what I'm going to do to apply these. And once I'm done putting all of these nails on, I'm just going to add my top coat in the cuticle oil, and I will be done with my nails. And this is how the nails turn out, and I absolutely love these so much more than I thought I would, because like I don't know if it's the colors or like the design is so simple, but it's so pretty at the same time. These colors just look so pretty, and I love that little gold accent of these nails in the middle. Comment down below what you guys think of this nail set. I will make sure I leave the link to the Modelones website and also my discount code down below. And if you are interested in this, make sure to get it. I absolutely love this. I'm pretty sure you guys will too. And as always, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.